Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. And right now we'll be discussing about XHTML attribute minimization, which is forbidden. In XHTML, attribute minimization is forbidden. Like this one now, we are having input element and the different attributes inside of it, and all the attributes is having value. As you can see, the type attribute is having value, name attribute is having value, value attribute is having value, checked attribute is also having value. And this one also, the disable element right here, as you can see, this disable attribute right here is having value. Last, the name attribute is having value, type attribute is having value. But this second one right here, the type is having value, name is having value, value is having value, but the check is not having value. The second one, the type is having value, the type attribute is having value, name attribute is having value, the disable attribute is not having value. You are going to see how the error is going to come from. Now let me copy this one quickly because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. You can check our HTML versus XML playlist on this channel so you can be able to follow along. As you can see, we are having this document right. Let me remove this. Let me place this one. When I place it, you are going to see some error now. Can you see when I reload, it's having error? Where the error came from is this, where we don't have the value for the checked. So let me now say, for instance, I remove this one now, which is the wrong one that is not having value. Let me reload our document quickly. You are going to see we are going to have clean document. As you can see, when we write anything, when we do whatever we do right here now is working fine now. But let me now say, for instance, now this one we mistakenly remove the value from it and save it. Let's reload it. Let's reload the document. Can you see we're having error from the where? From the is not well formed, and the check is marked as the error. So that's what I want to show you guys. As you can see, when we bring it back and save our document, you are going to see our document is going to look normal now. As you can see, we are having the normal check, but as you can see, but let's say for instance we remove this one now. We can remove this and remove the second one also, and remove this one also, but we are not going to have problem. We are not going to have problem when I remove the first one and the second one without because we don't want to use them. As you can see, I'm not having error. But when I say by mistakenly I put this check there now, let's say I want it to be checked. As you can see, when I reload it, it's having checked. But let's now say I remove this value. Let's say for instance I remove this value now. I left it empty. Can you see there's no any problem when I save it? But let's now say this check only is not having this. That's where the problem is going to come from. Can you see the problem is out now, as you can see? So that I want you to practice this because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is mining, this is what I want to show you right now. I want to round up this topic on the HTML versus XHTML for now, and meet in the next tutorial because we are coming from the beginners to the advanced level. So if you are following me up to this level, up to this moment, I want you to talk for yourself. Congratulations, we are going to the next level now. So have a great day. Thank you so much. And what akorede is my name once again. Have a great day. Thank you so much.